Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to deal with a small topic from the chapter Force and Pressure of class 8 CBSE syllabus. So let's start the class. Instead of going directly into the topic, we can move on to the topic through a simple activity. Consider this chair. This chair is now at rest. If I ask this chair to go there, will this chair go? No, definitely no. It will not go. So, in order to move this chair, I need to apply a push effect or a pull effect. That is, if I need to move this chair, I need to apply a push effect or a pull effect on this chair. This push effect or pull effect is known as force. Force. A push or pull on an object. So, we can define force as a push or a pull on an object. It's a simple definition for force. So, now let me ask you a question. Can we see force? Can we see force? No, we cannot see force. We can only experience the effect of force. We can only experience the effect of force. So now let's look at what are the effects of force. What are the effects of force? The first effect is an object which is at rest. An object which is at rest can be set into motion on the application of force. That is, this ball is initially at rest. If I apply a force on this ball will move. That is, it changes its state from rest to motion. This is the first effect of force. That is, rest to motion. This is the first effect of force. That is, on the application of force on an object, we can set a body at rest to a motion. Next effect of the force is, if this ball is moving, and if I need to stop this ball, I need to apply a force on the object. That is, if an object is moving and if I need to stop this ball or any other object, I need to apply a force on the object. So, with the help of the force, we can bring down or slow down a moving object to rest. That is, motion to rest. First one is rest to motion. On the application of force, we can bring an object at rest to a state of motion. The next effect is, we can slow down or bring down a moving object to a state of rest. These are the two effects of motion. The third effect of motion is, consider this bottle. Now this bottle has no deformations. If I apply a force on this bottle, the shape of this bottle changes. You can see that the shape of this bottle changes on the application of force. So, with the help of the force or on the application of force, we can change the shape of an object. Change shape. Change shape. These are the three effects of force. The fourth effect is, again consider this ball. This ball is initially moving with a small speed. If I apply a force on this ball, we can increase the speed of the object, right? Initially, this ball is moving with a small speed. If I apply a force on this ball, we can increase the speed of the ball. Similarly, we can also decrease the speed of this ball. If this ball is moving very fastly, then on the application of force, we can bring down to rest, or we can decrease the speed of this ball. That is, increase or decrease speed. Increase or decrease speed. The last one is, we can change the direction of an object on the application of force. If this ball is moving in a straight line, now you can see that this ball is moving in a straight line. If I apply a force in this direction, we can change the direction of the ball. Firstly, the ball moves in a straight line, and if I apply a force in this direction, we can make the ball to move in this direction. So, on the application of force, we can change the direction of an object. Change direction. Change direction. So, these are the 5 effects of force. The first one is rest to motion. Force can change an object from rest to motion. Force can change an object from motion to rest. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can increase or decrease the speed of an object. And force can change the direction of an object. These are the effects of force. Now, the important thing you need to note here is the unit of force. The unit of force is Newton. Newton, represented by the letter capital N. The unit of force is Newton, represented by the capital letter N. This unit came in honor of the scientist Sir Isaac Newton. So, in this class, we have discussed about what is a force. We can call a push or a pull on an object as a force. And later we discussed about the effects force can bring. These are the 5 effects of force. And finally, we have discussed about the unit of force. So, these are all about today's class. Thank you.